Okay, we are live. All right. All right. So hold on one second, guys. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. My name is Tony Pacino, and today we are going to talk about meme coins. We are going to talk about the Fed. We are going to talk about a lot of things. In front of us, as you can see, the Nero chart, absolutely insane, absolute crazy pump that we are witnessing here in the meme coin market. This thing is literally at $300 million. Remember that it started the day and started the week yesterday at $12 million. This is literally crazy. All right. Everything is possible in crypto. Always remember that. Right. I mean, look at these candles. Look at this. You see this right here, this right here, this right here, then boom, explosion here. Absolutely crazy, guys. So yeah, so Nero has been pumping the CTO, right, listed on Binance. Absolutely crazy here. I really like this chart. Yesterday I was saying that we were gonna have a huge retracement. Well, didn't happen. Yeah, but it's always good to be aware of what could potentially happen with those charts, right? Because this thing is now up almost 20x here. So this is crazy, man. This is crazy. The next retracement, you might want to get a little bag, like a moon bag or something like that, right? You don't want to miss the train here, okay? But unfortunately for our friends that were in the official Nero, right here, well, it's not going so well. We're in the red here since yesterday and since last week, really. Have been in the red on this chart. So yeah, sitting at 68 millions today. Let's draw a Fibonacci here. I want to see. I want to see what the charts looks like if we draw a Fibonacci retracement. So yeah, we are about to hit the 78, which is where I usually wait to enter on meme coins, which is where I would look for a potential reversal on the daily chart here. So definitely wait for the price to come into this area here and see how it reacts, right? As you can see on September 4th, we went, on September 3rd, we went all the way down to $20 million market cap, right? So maybe we're going to go back there. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen with this coin? Is it possible that we have two Nero that go to crazy market caps? I don't know. Especially that Nero is supposed to be the next Doge. If you don't know the story, this woman was the woman who was the owner of the Doge, the real Doge, the dog. And Doge died last year or something like that. And now she has this new dog called Nero, right? So this thing is supposed to go to billions of dollars. But is it possible that both of these coins go to billions of dollars? I don't know. It's hard, man. It's hard. It's a really tough one here because the CTO is like the OG community. And this one was like the whales, the Ethereum whales that were invested in it. So yeah, it's hard to know. One is listed on Binance Future, the other just got listed yesterday on Binance Spot. So yeah, tough call here, but definitely great pump for Nero CTO. Now let's go ahead and move to Punky. So I was analyzing charts this morning as usual, and then it really came to me as like it really came to me that Ponki is gonna fly. Now, if we draw a Fibonacci here on this chart, we can see that we are on the 61 and we were almost touching the 78 recently when we were all the way down to $111 million. Now, the reason why I'm very bullish on Ponki is because of their whole marketing. If you go on Instagram, they have an Instagram page, absolutely amazing graphics, absolutely crazy. They're going crazy on the reels, the shorts, the TikTok. They have a TikTok as well. I mean, it's just insane, right? If we take a look at their website, you can see, like, literally, like, to me right now, this looks like a Brett. This looks like a Brett with the marketing that they're having, right? They are very, very good with marketing. So yeah, so don't sleep on Ponki. Hasn't been listed to Binance yet. So if a Binance listing happens, or Coinbase, well, Coinbase, we gotta wait. But like, if a Binance listing happens for this thing is literally gonna fly. And why wouldn't Binance list Ponki when they literally listed Nero yesterday at like $14 million? They listed Turbo. I mean, the next thing that they're gonna list is this, right? So yeah, so this is my take on Ponki. Yeah, we actually talked about it in the Telegram. I did a post earlier. Holding some Ponki is a smart move here. I'm expecting some listings to happen soon, right? They are on TikTok and Instagram. The whole marketing behind it is genius. Long-term hold here, okay? So yeah, so this is my take on Ponki, guys. All right, next, I want to show you this crazy chart, Toncat. Absolutely insane, guys. This thing has pumped all the way up to $20 million today. And a couple days ago, it was around $4 million. Let's pull up the market cap chart here. Let me take this off real quick. All right, so yeah, as you can see, absolutely amazing chart here. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy. The Crypto King and everybody that's running that CTO are doing such an amazing job. Shout out to them. Shout out to the Crypto King. Shout out to the whole team behind Toncat, right? They had a rebranding, which we're going to take a look at in a second. But let's analyze this chart right here, right? So we had August 24th, which was the lowest point here. We went all the way down to $2.5 million, right? And today we went all the way up to $22 million, meaning that you could have done an easy 10x just by buying this 3 weeks ago. How crazy is that? How crazy is that, right? And this is where the importance of the Fibonacci comes in, because with the Fibonacci, you can literally see where price is going to retrace. You can see where it's too late to buy. You can see if it's a good area to buy, right? As I always say, the 0.78 is extremely interesting, extremely important for Memecoins, right? And we went all the way below the 78 here to $2.5 million area, right? So this was the buy area and we pumped, okay? And apparently Toncat, sorry, has a burn, $2 million burn this week, something like that. So yeah, so keep an eye on this coin right here. It's gonna go absolutely crazy. You have 5,000 holders, sitting at 16 million market cap right now. I wouldn't sleep on this. Yeah, so grab a bag, because this thing's about to go to like maybe $1 billion. It could even maybe potentially flip the market cap of Redo, right? So Redo sitting at $37 million. It might be possible that with the whole PPP narrative, the Crypto King, Meow also invested in this project. It might be possible that we flip Redo with Toncat here, okay? All right, now let's take a look at TSC. So now you're thinking, yeah, but I'm too late. I'm too late to invest in Toncat. This thing has already pumped. Well, you can just buy TSC, right? You can just buy TSC. This is also the Crypto King's coin. So yeah, And this thing is literally at the bottom right now. Look at this chart. Looks like a pyramid right here, right? So yeah, you could buy this right now and make a lot of money. It's sitting below $1 million with an all-time high of $22 million, right? So if you buy right now, you're going to do more than a 20x. It's pretty cool, right? Pretty good deal here. Yeah. So if you feel like you got left behind with TONCAT, do not hesitate to buy TON Season. And even better, my favorite meme coin on the TON chain here, PUTON. PUTON is my favorite meme coin on the TON chain for various reasons. Number one, it has the best narrative in my opinion. The Russian leader on the Russian chain, right? Just this alone is enough to put us at 100 million market cap, right? I mean, and right now it's pretty low. You can buy this right now, literally fill up your bags. Very low holders still. If I feel like nobody is talking about this right now, and that's good. That's where you want to get in. You want to get in when nobody is talking about the coin, right? You don't want to get in when everybody's hyped and a lot of people have bought and now people are looking to take profit. They're looking for exit liquidity, etc., etc. You want to buy right now. Russian leader on the Russian chain. All right, guys. So buy PUTON. I really love this project. Next, I wanted to take a look here at BTC. So BTC sitting at $60,000 today. And as you can see, we are going on the other side of the channel, right? As you can see, this channel right here, I actually draw it on the weekly chart, right? And as you can see, we are going on the other side here. So this is very bullish. We also have the RSI that is showing some bullish signs here on the weekly. So yeah, guys, right now is a very important moment, very important week for the whole market in general, for Bitcoin, therefore for meme coins as well. So I wouldn't slip on crypto this week. I would buy some stuff. I would scoop up some meme coins, right? I would buy some low market cap stuff, just like PUTON. Yeah. Let me show you now. I wanted to talk about the rebranding of TONCAT here. So TONCAT has had their rebranding. They completely changed the logos, changed everything, their whole image, and they're coming back strong, right? Imagine how alpha is that? How amazing is that? You are having a whole rebranding for your meme coin, and at the same time, you are making your chart pump like crazy. Like this is pretty cool right there. This is pretty cool right there, right? Rebranding, boom, going to the upside. I really like that. Really like that. Yeah, 3,000 followers here on X. Looking absolutely amazing. Like I said, they are gonna have a major burn this week. Yeah, they have a radio going on. Like they're just working, man. They're working. This CTO is probably one of the best CTOs out there right now, and of course, good old CTO here, Nero. That's literally pumping all the way to $300 million, guys. By the way, if you have any question, drop it in the chat. If you want me to analyze a chart or something, if you have any question, drop it in the chat, guys. All right. Now let's take a look at the TONCAT website here. Rebranding, new website, looks amazing. What is PPP? Right. Let Meow from Jupiter explain. Yeah. So PPP is the pump player, right? Which is against the whole PvP like we have on Solana and basically in the whole crypto market, which is player versus player, right? So yeah, so basically they all want to buy and not sell. I don't know if that's really possible and if that's really feasible in the long term, because obviously people are going to sell their bags to take profit. Like I'm going to sell my bag. I'm not going to be in the whole PPP thing forever. Like, it sounds good, but it sounds a little too optimistic in my opinion. But if it can attract some people into the TRON chain, then let's go ahead and embrace that whole PPP mindset, right? Yeah, yeah. So yeah, man, great rebranding right here, amazing. All right. Yeah, so Bitcoin sitting at $60,000 here. Let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P is down today for some reason, probably probably going down so then it can pump tomorrow on the news. So yeah, let's take a look at Ethereum here. Let's see if Ethereum is doing something interesting. Yeah, nothing special with Ethereum. I really think that until this chart bottoms, like I said in my previous stream, until this chart bottom here, the Ethereum Bitcoin, I don't think that something crazy is going to happen with Ethereum. Yeah, so in the meantime, what you can do if you're bullish on Ethereum is just buy meme coins on the Ethereum chain and load up. Load up, because I truly believe that when this chart is going to bottom, then we're going to have ETH that's going to pump. And obviously, right after, you're going to have altcoins and meme coins that are going to pump as well, right? And again, great meme coins on the Ethereum chain. You have Bobo, right? Bobo pumped today, man. Wow. Beautiful here. God damn. Okay. Yeah. Bobo looking real good. I mean, best entry was under the 78 here. You see the importance of the Fibonacci, guys. All right, always have a Fibonacci, or if you don't use Fibonacci, use something else, but have an edge, right? Have something that like some rules for you to get in. Like for me, the Fibonacci is pretty much all I use as far as technical analysis to get into a meme coin, because it shows me when a downtrend is about to reverse, and that's when I want to get in, right? The Bobo came here below the 78, and then literally a month later bottomed under the 78, and now it has pumped. And since then, it literally pumped 200%, right? So this is how you can call bottoms, is by using tools like this. And Fibonacci is very smart because it is based on a mathematical sequence, right? Yeah, but let's see the other meme coins for Ethereum. Obviously, Turbo, very bullish on Turbo here. I mean, look at this weekly candle, man. Absolutely amazing. Same thing with Turbo. You could have put a Fibonacci retracement here and sort of predict the lows, right? The reversal. Yeah. And also, I have EBO, Ethereum Bull. I'm very bullish on this. As soon as Ethereum Bitcoin chart is going to bottom, then we're going to have an Ethereum reversal to the upside, right? Then I can assure you that this thing is going to pump, and it's going to pump real hard, right? If we do this right here and we take a look, we are literally almost at a 16x if we go to all-time high, right? So this looks pretty good to me. All right. Yeah. Let's check it here. He said, bro, see KASPA. All right, man. You want to see KASPA? Let me check that. Yeah, so KASPA, man, is one of the best chart, one of the best meme coin chart this year, man. I mean, it just looks amazing. This whole channel here is very respected. Let's go on the weekly. Let's go on the weekly for KASPA here. By the way, I was looking at KASPA meme coins today, but let's talk about this later. So yeah, so KASPA so far, we had last week. We ended last week with a very bullish candle here, which respected this whole zone of the channel that we have here. So you can see pretty much every time we come into the channel here, you can see that we are reversing. Right now, for KASPA, I mean, we're gonna need Bitcoin, or we're gonna need a real bull market for it to perform. But I am very bullish on KASPA, guys. Very bullish on KASPA. Top layer one. This coin is gonna stay. This coin is gonna stay for a while, man. The whole team behind it, like it's just something crazy. The whole technology behind it, yeah. And now they have KRC20s. They have a lot of meme coins that are coming. But the only problem is that they don't have a proper DEX yet. So, like for example, you're not gonna be able to check your KASPA meme coins on DEX Screener, right? First, they need to launch their DEX, and then we're gonna be able to trade them like we trade other meme coins. The only way that you can buy KASPA meme coins right now is if you go on Telegram, right? I was doing this today. Let me check something right here for you. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. So with this bot, the Casper bot home, basically you come to this Telegram and it's like it's a bot, and it allows you to buy meme coins on KASPA, right? I'm gonna make a video on this because it's still unclear to me. It's sort of like very geeky and kind of complicated. I don't know why they still haven't figured out how to put meme coins just like every blockchain, so we can see it here on DEX Screener, right? So yeah, KASPA meme coins to come for another video. He said Binance Dog. Yeah, let's check Binance Dog, man. Let's check Binance Dog. Very bullish on everything that's Binance right now, for the simple reason that we have CZ that's going to get released next week. No, not next week, on the 29th. So the 29th is actually next week. It's Sunday of next week, right? So yeah, so CZ gets released. This thing goes parabolic. Talked about it yesterday. So far has been doing well. And as you can see, again, guys, again, the Fibonacci, we are on the 78. We were below it. What happened? Reversal. Always the same thing with meme coins, right? Always the same thing. Meme coins have to retrace extremely hard, right? And then when there's blood on the streets, when nobody's interested, because literally this thing pumped all the way up to like $16 million and went all the way back down to 1 million, even below a million. Imagine you got in at 1 million, then you're looking at a 16x just to all-time high. Like, do you understand the potential when you analyze chart with this approach? Yeah, so Binance Dog, man, really bullish here, real bullish. Yeah, next levels, all-time high, man, all-time high, next level. Yeah, so let's see. Look, let's build a small thesis here. Let's see, for example, if we have bullish news tomorrow at FOMC and the Fed actually really drops the interest rates, so then it's very bullish for the economy, very bullish for the markets in general. And then the next week on Sunday, we get the official release of CZ. Then yeah, we're gonna pump. We're gonna pump, baby. Andy's gonna pump. This is gonna pump. Even BNB is gonna pump, man. Even goddamn BNB. Don't sleep on BNB, man. Do not sleep on BNB. It's pretty much like trading Solana, right? BNB, very good coin. Very good coin here. This thing could literally go to like to freaking $2,000, right? So yeah. Yeah, very bullish on the whole Binance thing here. Drop your questions in the chat, guys. If you want me to analyze any chart, drop your questions. I'll be happy to answer them here. Yeah. Okay. All right. Another thing here, I was looking, by the way, this guy, Benjamin Cohen, very, very, very smart macro analysis and like technical analysis, but in a very macro trend. Very good guy that you can go watch. He's on YouTube as well, and he has good stuff, man. Good content right here. And basically, he's saying here that in 2019 we had the rate cut for Ethereum, but then that Ethereum, so the Ethereum BTC chart bottomed right after the rate cut. But he's saying that the Ethereum USD didn't start to reverse until the end of the year. So if it's the case here, then we might actually wait a longer time for Ethereum to retrace, to reverse, right? So yeah. So let's see who's gonna be right. Very bullish on this, and you can see here Bitcoin has way too much dominance in the market. I mean, literally 58%. I think it's gonna keep going up, and then when alt season start, it's gonna look like this, right? You can see right here. This was September 2020, so like pre-bull market crazy. We went up, and then December 2020 and January 2021, altcoin season started, and BTC dominance dropped dramatically. So keep an eye on this chart as well. Keep an eye on this chart. Very important chart here for Bitcoin and for the whole market in general. Literally went down 46%, guys. And this is when a lot of people got rich with altcoins. People that bought Solana at $1. People that bought BNB at like 20 cents, something like that. People that bought PancakeSwap back then. Like, it was crazy. If you were there, you remember, and it was crazy, guys. Yeah. But yeah. So Memecoins, we talked about it. Now I want to look at other altcoins here that I'm looking at, and basically there's ONDO. That's one of my favorite here. So basically, ONDO is a RWA token, and it is backed, or it has a strong partnership with BlackRock, right? That's why you should be very bullish on this, because BlackRock is actually involved here. And if we go to CMC right here, so I can show you, you can see that ONDO is sitting at 800 million the market cap right here, okay? And this project is literally something out of this world, right? A new era of financial inclusivity on chain. And if you look right here, okay, let me see. BlackRock is here, guys. So you have the biggest financial entity in the world that is backing this project. So do not sleep on ONDO. ONDO is going to go to the freaking moon, man. And it is below the 61 Fibonacci here. So yeah. So very good entry in my opinion. Best entry was right here at 50 cents. Right, 50 cents. I'm still waiting. As you can see, I have my alarm here. I'm still waiting for a lower entry. If we get like a flash crash or a new king or something like that, you always got to be ready, man. Have a paid trading view. Pay for trading view. Just the first subscription thing, so you can get a lot of alerts on every coin that you want and stuff. And like, I pay what, like $20 a month, something like that. Who cares? This is the best tool I have, is TradingView and Dex Screener, but Dex Screener is free, TradingView is not, and the free version is absolute trash. Yeah. He said, "What's your take on TRON with Pavel stock in France? To me, it seems he either gets locked up and Telegram dies because lack of funding, or he cooperates, then Telegram isn't doing the privacy thing." It's hard, man. It's hard. It's hard. Number one, we have to understand that TRON is a separate entity than Telegram, right? Obviously, they are linked, but TRON is a foundation, and Pavel does not run TRON anymore. He founded it, but he doesn't run it anymore, right? Think about like CZ and Binance. It's kind of like the same thing, right? But yeah, isn't that funny that they're both in jail right now at the same time? That's pretty funny. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know, man. All I know is that there's serious project on TRON, and I don't think that Telegram can die just because of Pavel. I don't think so. Like it wouldn't make sense. It wouldn't make sense. I think that the countries would step in, like the UAE. Like if you have the UAE that steps in, man, like everybody's just gonna shut up. France is not gonna do anything against the UAE. Like yeah, like because Pavel has many passports and he has the UAE passport. He also have the French passport, Russian, whatever. But he's a UAE citizen, so they're not gonna let them keep him for a long time, man. They're gonna do something. They're gonna do something. Yeah. But yeah, no, it's not directly linked to it. Like it was, but it's not anymore. Pavel's very smart. He probably knew. He probably saw it coming, man. He probably saw it coming. I mean, when you own one of the biggest messaging platform on earth, and you don't censor any info, then obviously like you're gonna have a lot of people that are not gonna like you, right? So yeah, the same thing would have happened to Mark Zuckerberg if he didn't comply with the FBI and stuff. But since he complied and he censored information and he takes everybody's data, then everybody's fine with him. But Pavel is not like Zuckerberg. Pavel's a G, so it's different, right? But as far as Ton, I think he could still perform extremely well, man. I think he could still perform extremely well. Yeah, you saw it, man. I just showed you guys like TCAT pumping. I mean, Pavel is still stuck in France, but people are making money on TCAT. So yeah. So yeah, that's my take for the whole ton thing. And by the way, if you look at the ton chart on the monthly chart, it's probably a great entry right now, right? It's probably a great entry. We're almost at the 61 on the Fibonacci here. So yeah, I wouldn't waste time. I would probably get some ton because I think this thing's about to 10x, easy 10x. Yeah, Pavel or no Pavel, this thing's gonna fly. There's way too much at stake here. There's too much thing going on. There's probably billionaires invested in Telegram, invested in Ton, right? So yeah, I don't see this thing dying anytime soon. Yeah, I really don't see that. But yeah. Yeah, do you guys have any other questions? If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. If you want me to analyze any chart, I'll be happy to do so. Yeah. So yeah, I was talking about ONDO. ONDO here. Do not sleep on this, guys. Very, very impressive project. And this could literally absolutely fly. This is one of the best RWA, real world asset. And yeah, so when you have BlackRock that's behind something, you gotta question things. You gotta question things, and you gotta be interested, right? Next on my list for altcoins here that are interesting, we have Big Time. I already talked about it in my last stream. It's actually up this week. No, not this week, but it was up last week. Let's see here, man. Classic example of why the Fibonacci is useful is that look at this. This is an altcoin, right? This is not even a meme coin. And look at this. We are below the 78. This thing looks dead. But then you get those two weekly candles that closed very bullish. What does that tell you? That tells you that this thing is still not dead, and that if you're getting right now, you're going to make a lot of money, right? Don't be the guy that buys right here when everything has pretty much halfway pumped already. Be the guy that buys the blood. And same thing applies with everything in crypto. Buy the blood. Don't buy green, buy red, right? You can buy green as well, but you have to have a strategy or something. Like you can't buy something just because it has pumped. Like for example, TCAT right now might not be the best entry. Just because it pumped way too much in the last 2 days. So and there's still no bull market, and Ton is not going crazy right now. So Yeah. So I think those PPP guys are still gonna sell a little bit, right? So I wouldn't be surprised if we go back to like $10 million or $9 million anytime soon. Yeah. Let me check something here. All right. Yeah. Let me check here. Okay. So I was actually building a new thesis today, um, which was about Trump because he's gonna release an exchange with his two sons and with some other people, and basically he's gonna be like running his own like crypto exchange and crypto coin, something like that, a huge crypto project. And I was thinking that does this gonna impact Trump meme coins? Because if it does, you look at this, then you're already looking at an 8x right here. You're looking at a straight 8x just to go back to $800 million, right? So yeah, so let's see if the whole Trump thing could actually make something happen, right? There's also that one. What happened with this one, man? Let's see here. Yeah, that one pretty much it pumped and then it kind of died. Yeah, went pretty high too. But yeah, the official one is this one, Trump. Yeah, so if like I don't think the exchange or the Trump project is released yet. There's no. He had a stream yesterday on X. He had a space on X, but I don't think anything is official yet. So, but yeah, I would probably start to look for some Trump coins. I would probably start doing that right now. Yeah. But we'll talk about it in tomorrow's stream, guys. I'm going to make more research on this. Let's go ahead and take a look back at the other Nero here. Where is he? Where's the other Nero, man? The new Nero. Nero on Solana, man. Solana people are crazy, man. Yeah. But yeah, look at this, guys. Look at this 276 million market cap. And yesterday it was at 14 million. Crazy. So Kevin, you said you feel like Trump would make his own Trump coin, like his meme coin. Is that what you're saying? Because if Trump releases a meme coin, oh my God, this thing's gonna fly, man. This thing's gonna fly. Like most people in crypto love Trump because he's pro crypto and because Trump's a G, man. Trump's a G. Yeah, but I don't want to talk about politics too much. Yeah. But yeah, if Trump, yeah, okay. So if Trump releases a meme coin, man, this is gonna be insane. This is gonna be insane. Yeah, I don't think, I really don't think it's gonna happen though. It'll be weird. I think it makes more sense for him to release like a smart project, something that helps people, or like an official project, like an exchange or a lending platform, or like some financial stuff, than a meme coin. Because if he releases a meme coin, then they're gonna be after him again. then he's gonna have the SEC, all these people after him, because they're every time they're trying to find every reason to go after him. So yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. I think we're gonna have to deal with those meme coins here that are already on chain. Yeah, but imagine, man, imagine if celebrities like this would launch meme coins. That would be insane. That would be literally insane. Yeah. So yeah, guys, let me check something real quick. Where are we? Right here. Okay, so yeah, drop your questions. If you have any questions, drop it in the chat. Let's go ahead and take a look at Cointelegraph here. Let's take a look at some news. Yeah. Oh, by the way, this was something I wanted to talk about. Are you guys bullish on XRP? Is anybody bullish on XRP? I put it in the chat, guys. I put it in the chat. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Let's talk about this real quick. All right, because to me, all these XRP fans are crazy. Sometimes they might make sense, but most of the time they are crazy. How long has XRP been doing nothing? He said, Kevin said, only long term, like maybe the next cycle. I don't know about this one though. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, this is an old chart, man. Let me see. Let me see the Bitstamp chart. Okay, yeah, beautiful. All right. Okay, so on the weekly, I mean, look. We were here in 2017. We still here. What's going on here, guys? Come on. Like, why a lot of people are so bullish on this? I mean, I understand that if if everything is happening for them and that they don't have the lawsuits anymore, and then they're free to go, and like and then financial institution actually use their products, I understand that it could pump like crazy, but like you have to understand that we were at this price in 2017. I mean, that's crazy. Imagine if Bitcoin would come back to like the 2017 area. That would mean that we go around 10K. We would go around 10K, and that's like the all-time high of 2017 was 18,000. Imagine if that happens, right? So that's why like I'm not so bullish on XRP. And if you look at the chart, it has been doing nothing. Few scam pump here and there. People take profit, they bounce, we go right back down. So yeah, guys, I'm not too bullish on this, but I see it all the time on Twitter. And look where we are though. Look where we are, under the 78 on the weekly chart. So obviously, if you want to get in, if you believe in XRP, then go ahead and throw a bag right now. You know, throw some cash at it right now. Hold it long term on a ledger or something. Or maybe you could have a DCA plan. I feel like that's what people have been doing. They have been DCA'd this whole thing, right? Like since the last bull run. Yeah, that's crazy. And for people that are new to crypto, imagine people that are new to crypto, they don't know the whole XRP story, and they come to this chart and they look at this and they're seeing that the all-time high is from 2018, not even from 2021. They're like, what's going on here? See? So I feel like it could be a play, a long-term play, but there are way better projects in crypto right now. Things like ONDO, things like KASPA, insane. right? I mean, there's way better stuff than that. So yeah, let's take a look at Nakamoto here. I was looking at this at the beginning of this year, but this thing hasn't performed well at all. It's down like 90% or something. So yeah, this is a whole gaming project. But yeah, the chart looks really bad on the monthly. Yeah, so but again, best entry right now, 0.78. Yeah, drop a question, guys, in the chat if you have any questions for me. I'll be happy to answer them. By the way, guys, if you want to get notified every time I'm buying something, every time I'm going live, every time I'm doing something, I always post on my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram. The link is in the description. All right, join my Telegram. Okay. All right, guys, there's no questions, so I'm going to wrap up the stream here. It was nice being with you today. All right, take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.